So now we'll actually use mean and top aggregation functions in our code, and also we'll build a small pipeline for it. For the new users, we need to install Apache Beam for the GCP in your terminal. If you're a new user, then we're going to import Apache Beam as Beam. Then we'll actually, let's name it as mean global. So what we are doing here, we are actually defining a function. After this, we're going to create a pipeline by writing with beam dot pipeline as pipeline, right? We'll actually going to save it in a variable where we are going to write this pipeline then create numbers and beam dot create oh, okay. So beam dot create, what we are doing here is we are actually creating a p collection out of using this beam dot create, and then we are going to make it 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, right? Let's take it 15, right? After this, we are going to write mean values, and after writing mean values, beam dot combiners dot mean dot globally, right? So what it will do is, like, it will actually going to use this p collection and will combine the values and calculate the mean out of it. Then we need to actually print this value. So for that we will use map and print, right? Now if test is total, right? So now we need to actually call this function. For that we are going to write this and called mean global, right? So what it will do is, like, it will actually calculate the mean by combining these value. Let's try this out. We are going to run it. It's actually showing some type of error on line 7 and 16. Okay, so let's find out what's the issue. Okay, so what I have done is, like, whenever we are creating a pipeline, we need to always write the correct syntax, right? Like beam.pipeline with the parenthesis on and off, right? Now we'll again run it. Okay, so again a small error, which is like map. Whenever we are using functions, we need to be more careful that majority of the functions starts with a upper letter case. Okay, so it has given us the value of 5.25, and the code is running successfully. Now let's take an example of, for example, 22 comma 33. Okay, so let's take a small easy example, 1 2 3. Now let's run it, and after running it we got 2.2, 2.0. Okay, so obviously this is a simple calculation. If we calculate the mean of 1 2 3, then we'll obviously get 2, and it's showing us 2.